Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how does Cash App Afterpay work. So first, if you don't have an account, you just go ahead and create one on Afterpay. You can download the app, and then basically here, as you can see all the featured brands. You can see what's popular. You can browse through different categories as well. You can search things up if you want, right? And once you find the product you want, you can just click on any of the websites. For example, right here, this one is on Amazon. You can click on it and it would take you to the Amazon website, but we're still in Afterpay. As you can see right here, we're still in Afterpay. We're browsing through the Amazon store or any other store you want. And now when you go to pay, when you go to checkout, as you can see, our Afterpay has $800 to spend. So you just add the items to your cart. And then at the end, at checkout, you just tap the Afterpay button and your purchase will be split into payments. You're going to pay automatically. Okay, so that is what happens. You just add to your cart, choose your size, right? Proceed to checkout. Now, the way they do it, they divide it into 4 payments. You'll see how much you have available to spend. Of course, this amount increases depending on your usage and how well you paid back on time. So here you can see all your active orders as well. If you come to your profile here under settings, you can see your payment settings as well. You can see the payment methods you have set up to go ahead and make your payments. You can even set up preferred payment days as well. And you can add your payment methods, your card, right? The information, expiry date, CVV code, things like that. And of course, have your preferred payment day. And after that, what you can do is start making your purchases. You can also get the Afterpay card to go ahead and use in stores as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.